Yo, what's up, guys? It's Carmine Plays. Not Carmine Plays. CJ Plays here, and today I'm gonna be doing a cool thing. Alright, so I'm gonna be showcasing. See that right there in my hands is the one and only piece of crap combat slinger. Alright, so this thing is a piece of crap. And I'm gonna be making a match for my second account, so me can play in Blockmart and say see CJ, and then this next is gonna be once again CJ, and you can join this match if you really wanted to. So I'm going on here. Wait one moment. CJ search. Yes. Boom. CJ. Done. Alright, so I should be joining soon. It should say, yep, right there. Alright. So I'm out here. So got my crap bat slinger. You could call it the crap bat slinger. So as you can see, you can't see because I'm right there. See? And I have my crap slinger, and I will be, see, look. It's gonna take a while. See, it just takes forever. That's the problem about this gun. It just takes forever to like what am I looking for? What is the word that I'm looking for? It's just a piece of crap. That's what the word is. It's basically just a piece of crap gun. And even though it looks cool, freaking explosive apples, that is pretty cool. But all in that, it's a terrible, terrible, terrible weapon. I'd not get this at all. Like, at all. If you just get it, don't even use it. It's that bad. Hold on. I'm on my second account real quick. It's horrible. It's like really bad. Where am I? Oh, I'm all the way by the bus. See, it's like pretty bad. I'd consider it one of these weapons. Not gonna lie. So yeah, I just wanted to do a crap showcase about this gun. This really bad girl. Like, look at it. It's horrific. It's, like, really bad. And I heard my friend say, well, this is a bad gun. And you can check his channel out. I don't know what his channel name is because it's a hard name. It's pretty hard. And yeah. You could check it out. Here, this is, I know his name, I can't remember, but I'll show you later, and then you can friend him. He'd probably like that, if you friend him. But, he is a very nice guy, and, yeah. So yeah, that's what I kind of wanted to showcase, is that this piece of crap, it's horrifying. And yeah, it's pretty bad. So if you really want a clan weapon, I'd highly not suggest this weapon. It's horrible. It's bad. It's disgusting. It's just bad. It's like, it's disgusting how bad it is. I mean, you're gonna think like, oh my god, I have my favorite colors, blue and green. Yeah, it is my favorite color, but you know what? It's the worst gun probably in the game for a clan weapon. It's probably the worst clan weapon you can get in this game, and it's so bad. It's just disgusting how bad it is. So I would suggest to either stick to the Undertaker, the Thunder, Leader Sword, the Laser Bouncer, Anti-Hero. Not this. This is probably your worst heavy weapon. Stick to this. It's an old weapon, but who frickin' cares? It's pretty darn good. So yeah, I would suggest these type of weapons. Because this is a good clan weapon. It's not the best, but it's decent. See, I might be doing a showcase on a gun called the paintball rifle. It's pretty sick. Look at it. Pretty sick, right? Alright, bye guys.